Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's Educate BD and I am Sharmin. Today I am going to discuss about past indefinite tense. So let's check the video. Past indefinite tense or the simple past tense, sometimes called the preterite, is used to talk about a completed action in a time before now. The simple past tense is the basic form of past tense in English. The time of the action can be in the recent past or the distant past, and the duration of action is not important. Past indefinite tense refers to a time which has passed away and become past. An action which has happened in past relates to past tense. It is used to express an action that is just completed or just happened, normally a short time before speaking. Time of action is not specified, but it makes a sense that action is just completed. Such as, he saw her face. It means that subject has seen her face a short time ago. Past in simple tense expresses an action that occurred in past. It expresses the actions such as an action occurred just a little while ago. For example, I ate my meal. He caught a bird. I met a friend in the market. She prepared some tea for the guests. They played the game properly. She asked me a question. She cleaned the room. An action which occurred on a regular basis in past. For instance, she worked in a factory. The people paid less taxes in past. The ancients believed in superstitions. An action which occurred in past and time is given in the sentence, like 3 p.m., 10 a.m., yesterday, last night, last evening, last month, last year, or past years, etc. For example, he met her yesterday. His father died last year. It is also used to express old habits, like he always wore white dresses. Subhana always walked in the morning. It is also associated with certain past time expressions such as frequency, like often, sometimes, always. For example, I sometimes walked home at lunchtime. I often brought my lunch to school. A definite point of time, like last week, when I was a child, yesterday, 6 weeks ago, etc. Let's see some examples. We saw a good film last week. Yesterday, I arrived in Geneva. She finished her work at 7 o'clock. I went to the theater last night. An indefinite point of time, like the other day, ages ago, a long time ago. For instance, people lived in caves a long time ago. She played the piano when she was a child. Now, let's see the formation of simple past tense. For affirmative, subject plus past form of main verb plus object. For example, I bought a laptop. He applied for a job. He met me in the library, etc. For negative, subject plus did not plus base form of verb plus object. Let's see some examples. She did not qualify her exam. He didn't find any job. I did not buy a car. They did not go to college. You did not eat the food. Mr. Server did not help him. He did not came here. She did not make a painting. I did not complete my work. Kids did not like the movies, etc. For interrogative, did plus subject plus base form of verb plus object, and finally the question mark. For example, did you watch that movie? Did she laugh? Did I call you? Did they shift to their new home? Did he bring his documents? Did he come here? Did he meet you? Did she sing a song? Etc. And for interrogative negative, did not plus subject plus base form of verb plus object, and finally the question mark. Just like, did not you play? Did not you eat your meal? Etc.